Check that out. Habanada Peppers. See that? Let's see. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna harvest some Habanada peppers. So if you're wondering why our pepper plant looks like this, check it out. It's because we've had 30-degree Fahrenheit temperatures this week. This is what happens when your pepper plant is in temperatures below 36 degrees Fahrenheit. You see that? It burns your plants. So since we're starting to get temperatures below 35 degrees Fahrenheit in October, which is kind of strange because last year we didn't get temperatures like this until November, because we didn't plant our garlic until November 4th or November 8th. So today I'm gonna harvest the rest of these Habanada peppers so we can save some seeds and dehydrate them and make our own spices. This is our first time growing Habanada peppers, and I can't wait to try them. Beautiful. So what is a Habanada pepper? A Habanada pepper is like a habanero pepper minus the heat. So if you don't like spicy food like us, this is probably a great option for you, because we love habanero peppers because of that citrus, tangy flavor. There's nothing like it, trust me. Let us know in the comment section if you grew habanero peppers this year. Check that out. Check out the structure of our Habanada pepper plant. See how it looks? Has the one main stem growing up, then it started to branch out all the way up here. This looks like this because we didn't prune it. So you see down here, you see all of these branches? We would have had a ton of peppers on these branches if we pruned it. But since we didn't, we only got a lot of peppers up here. So I can't wait to grow this again next year and prune it, because we did this for an experiment just to see. You see that? One main stem, then it branched out at the top. Now it's time to save some seeds and find out what these taste like. Check that out. Habanada peppers. See that? Let's see. Now I see why chefs love these peppers. Oh man, I've never tasted another pepper like this before. They have that citrus, tangerine, fruity type of flavor, just like habanero peppers. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I will definitely give these peppers a 20. How to save pepper seeds. All you have to do is cut your pepper open like this. And scrape your seeds onto a paper towel and let them dry for 7 days on your kitchen counter. And it's that simple. See how many seeds you get from one pepper? Look at all of those seeds from one pepper. And check this out. Your pepper doesn't have to be fully ripe for you to save seeds. So you know what? Matter of fact, instead of using this one with the little color, let's use this one with no color at all. Let's check out how the seeds look. Check it out. See all of those seeds? So if you're wondering, can you save seeds from a pepper that doesn't look fully ripe? Yes. After 7 days, your seeds should be completely dry like this. And you can store your seeds in an envelope, or you could just use a piece of paper like this, fold it over one time, fold it like this, and like that right there, and you can store your seeds in here. We got our homemade seed packet. All we have to do now is fold it over and label it. This is what your peppers should look like after you finish dehydrating them. Check it out. If you don't want to make powder and you want to make flakes, watch how easy it is to make flakes. It's that easy. I wonder if these seeds will still germinate after being in the dehydrator. Now I have to figure out which one of these I want to use today. This is what we just did. The Habanada pepper. This is our favorite. Habanero pepper. So let's see. I think I'll choose this one.